5,000 years old ancient Ayurvedic science is here to provide you one of the best male health. So friends, if you are suffering from erectile dysfunction, these herbs will surely help you out to overcome all those erectile dysfunctional issues that you suffer while during and physical intimacy. So friends, there is a combination of approximately 17 herbs. This is the herbs and the minerals that contains all the components that provide you the complete blood flow into the organ. The arterial flow and the venous flow will be proper so that you can have a good erection during the physical intimacy. So I'm going to share what are those herbs. Kindly look at the stuff. This is what we call as a beer booty. This you have to take it 20 grams. This is Khurasani Ajwain. This is you have to take 30 grams. This is Kharatin. You have to take it 30 grams. This is Sabaj Bij. You have to take it 20 grams. This is Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha you have to take 30 grams. This is White Conch Bij. Mycona pureus. This you have to take 30 grams. This is the species thing that we call as a Reg Mahi. This is what we call as an excellent testosterone production sperm. This is what we call a Shatavari, 30 grams. This is Vanchalochan, you have to take it 30 grams. This is Black Conch Bij, you have to take it 30 grams. This is White Musli, you have to take it 30 grams. This is Giloe, this is you have to take it 30 grams. This is Irani Akrakara, this poses the blood to gush into the organ. This is you have to take 30 grams. This is one of the best herb, what we call as Salam Panja. This is you have to take it 50 grams. This is Salam Mishri, you have to take it 50 grams. This is Elaichi Cardamom, you have to take it 30 grams. This is Jaffal, this is you have to take it 30 grams. This is Javatri, you have to take it 20 grams. After prepare this complete powder, add 250 milligrams of Swarna Basam. This is from one of the best brands in India. This is 250 grams of Swarna Basam, and along with that 2.5 grams of Rajat Basam. This is what we call as a purified silver, and this is purified gold, friends. So this formula is an end to all the concentrations about the Ayurvedic aspects on erectile dysfunction. This will help you out to get rid of your problem. We are here in India to provide you best suitable guidance for your problem. Happy to help. Thank you so much.